Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. So first of all, open up the settings. In here, go for the SIM cards and mobile networks category. And as you can see here, you have the switch for the preferences for calls. So you can either go with SIM card number 1, number 2, or this option will ask you each time you are about to make a call which card you would like to use. And next you have the switch that allows you to choose what SIM card will be the primary card for the mobile data. So here we have only two options, either SIM card number 1 or SIM card number 2. That is also the second way of changing the preferable SIM card for cellular data usage. So simply swipe downwards from the top right part of your display in order for the control center to appear. In here you'll want to find the mobile data shortcut. Tap on this little arrow at the bottom right part of this shortcut. And here you can also switch between two SIM cards and choose which one will be the primary card for the cellular data. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.